In this video, we'll show you how to add new rows to your spreadsheet in Geocodio Maps, enter address data, and geocode those new rows to add markers to your map. To add rows, look for the Add Rows button in the bottom left corner of the spreadsheet editor. By default, it adds one row, but you can change the number to add multiple rows at once. New rows appear at the bottom of your spreadsheet with a green background. This green highlight means the rows haven't been saved yet. They'll stay green until you choose to save them. Next, enter your address data into the new rows. Match the format of your existing spreadsheet. If you're using separate columns for street, city, state, and zip, put each part in the right column. If you're using a single address column, enter the full address string there. Once you've entered your data, a prompt appears in the top right corner letting you know you have unsaved changes. You have three options. Cancel removes the new rows entirely. Save and skip geocoding saves the data without geocoding, so no lookups are used. Save and geocode saves the rows and geocodes them, adding new markers to your map. Keep in mind that geocoding through maps counts toward your daily lookup total. Each row plus any appended fields count as lookups. These stack with lookups from the Spreadsheet Uploader and API. If you exceed 2,500 free lookups per day, the additional lookups will be billed to your account. You'll see a confirmation pop up before any billable lookups are processed. That's how you add and geocode rows in Geocodio Maps. Add new data right from the spreadsheet editor and watch your map update with fresh markers. Head to Geocodio to get started.